Greetings, ambassadors! Are you guys ready to learn new things and lessons? If so, the House of Gamaliel from 11 Ezra is here to accompany you on your journey to victory. For this lesson, we are gonna talk about series and sequence. But first, we have to know the difference between series and sequence.
The sequence
Is the arrangement of numbers in a specific order. The comma is used to separate the terms in a sequence, while series is the summation of terms in a sequence. The plus sign is used to add the terms in a sequence to form a series.
So what is summation notation? Summation notation, also called as sigma notation. Sigma is a Greek letter that looks like a letter P, which means sum. You can use this in series like 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 and can be written as this. This notation read as the summation of 2 sub I from I equals 1 to 6. I is also called as index. But sometimes you can see this as letter N or letter K, since letter I is just a representation of index. Now let's move to the properties of summation notation. The first one is the letter N at the top of the sigma, which means the upper limit of the summation. The next one is the variables between the opening of the sigma, which means the general formula. And lastly, at the bottom of the sigma, the I equals to M, which means the lower limit of the summation. Note that the domain is the relative position of z raised to plus sign, and range is the term or element. Now let's move to the solving. We have Miss Alarca and Miss Magdaong to show us how to solve summation notation.
This is the example of summation formula. The upper boundary is 4 and the lower boundary is 1. Copy the summation element and replace the n into the end of upper boundary. So, 2 times 1 plus 1 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 plus 2 times 4 plus 1. Simplify it. 2 times 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. 2 times 2 plus 1 is equals to 5. 2 times 3 plus 1 is equals to 7. 2 times 4 plus 1 is equals to 9. Add them and the final answer is 21.
It's time for trivia.
Why did the mathematician break up with the sequence? Because it couldn't keep up with these constant changes.
Here is another trivia for you. Why don't sequence ever get lost? Because they always follow a pattern.
This is the House of Gamaliel, ready to accompany you on your journey to victory.